What is up, guys? JTS Productions here. Dave here. I'm hunkered behind this concrete slab under this big pier. I'm about to fish, so the wind will, you won't hear the wind. Got a unibrow for my sunglasses. But I'm in North Carolina. I'm here with my sister and my mom for vacation. And I'm hunkered under this pier that I'm about to fish. Me and my sister, so if my sister catches one, I'm on video too. But yeah, that's a little heads up to what you're about to see. So hopefully we'll catch something. Catch you later. What in the...
Oh my god, it's a stingray.
What do you got? It is!
Don't tell those people down there. I can't get it in.
You may go get him, seriously?
I don't know.
Real heavy line on this. I'm gonna drop it down over here.
Okay. That's fine, yeah.
That's what these nets are for.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the gloves on.
Yeah.
Some things, these they don't have this is a skate, not a stingray. They don't have a stinger.
Oh, okay.
But they've got a lot of little barbs all over their body.
Okay.
And if you look at them, they're usually all small, not the same size.
Oh yeah.
And that's what these are. This is it. Tell you what. Let me of it, which can be venomous. This guy here, see, he's got a bunch of little teeth there.
Yeah.
His mouth will kind of reach out and touch you. So you don't want to get your finger real close, because once he gets a hold of it, he'll won't turn loose. And the teeth aren't made for chewing, they're more made for...
Okay, guys. That will wrap up my little fishing trip. As you've seen, my sister caught one today. And yeah, that'll wrap it up for this little North Carolina trip, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you later.